Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is savannahladell, and if you're returning, then welcome back. So today's video is going to be our Ancestry DNA results. Today I have my brother with me. His name is?
Austin.
And so today we're going to be doing his ancestry, or sharing his Ancestry DNA results. And we're going to answer the question of why are his results different from mine? Because we do have the same mom and dad. And if you've been on my channel, you would know that I already did my test. I did it about last summer. So I will link that video up on in the little iCard thing. So you can click on it if you want to watch that before you watch this one. But yeah, so I already did my results, or I already did my test and I got my results last year. And he recently did his and got his results. And they actually came out different. I remember I posted like last week, I was excited when he got his results because his results showed some different things that mine didn't. I was excited and I wrote on Facebook like, oh my gosh, my brother just got his Ancestry DNA results in and they're like kind of different from mine. And everyone's like, some people commented and they're like, how? They're like, how? You guys have the same mom and dad. Like, how are y'all's results different? And I was like, I Googled something so I could explain it better. And basically the way it works is you get some DNA from your mom, you get some DNA from your dad, but we're not twins. Like, we're not going to get the same DNA, the same exact DNA.
It's a large pool of various
genetics. Yeah, I thought this would be interesting to sit down and film and just share results with you guys and compare them. So I guess the first thing we're going to do is just compare our results that were the same. So obviously we had different percentages, and then at the end I'll share something that was on mine that wasn't on his, and he'll share what was on his that wasn't on mine. I hope I didn't make that confusing. So we'll hop right into the results. So obviously we're black, so we have a lot of African ancestry. So that's majority of, I think mine was 84%. So we're gonna start off with the highest. So for Ivory Coast and Ghana, I got 18%.
And I got 36%.
Cameroon, Congo, I got 2%.
And I got 21%.
So that's like a huge difference. Nigeria, I got 48%, so like almost half.
And I got 9%. So.
That's crazy. I thought, honestly, with that one, I thought you were going to show up a lot more Nigerian just because I was shocked at how much I pulled from there. So I really thought yours was going to be more. But Senegal, I was 7%.
And I was 6%.
African Southeastern Bantu, I got 5%.
And I was 4%.
African South Central Hunter-Gatherers, I was 2%.
I was 3%.
Benin Togo, I got 2%.
I was less than 1%.
So that's all of our African ancestry. So you can see there, like just right there, like a lot of ours were obviously the same. Well, they were all the same, but the percentages were like completely different. So you pulled more from Ivory Coast, Ghana. I pulled more from Nigeria. So I thought that was like really interesting. And that just goes to show you we're brother and sister with the same mom and dad, but we pulled different things, obviously. The next highest place we were from is Great Britain. And so I got 12%.
And I got 13%.
So we were pretty close there. Finland and Northwest Russia, I got less than 1%.
I got 2%.
I thought that was kind of interesting. Ireland, Scotland, Wales, I was 2%.
And I was 1%.
So that's pretty much the only ones that we matched up on that were the same. So one trace region, it was less than 1%, but it was still, on there. That was on mine, that wasn't on his, was Caucasus. Caucasus? I think I'm saying that right, yeah. And so honestly, when I first got my results, I had no idea where that was at. So you can look up, obviously you can look it up, but if you click on it, it gives you a map on the Ancestry DNA website. So I clicked on it obviously because I was like, what is this? And basically it's, just to name a few, it's like Iraq, Iran, Syria, Armenia, places like that. So it could come from any of those places. So that helped me. And I thought that was interesting. So that came up on mine. It didn't come up on his. And then I'll let Austin share his percentages that didn't come in on my results.
I was 1% Iberian Peninsula.
So that's like Spain and Portugal.
And, it was less than 1% Europe West. And less than 1% Polynesia.
I thought that was really interesting.
Yeah. And less than 1% Asia East.
So we Asian. Well, he Asian. He kind of Asian. So that's like, he's like, what the hell? No, I'm kidding. But no, I thought that was interesting. So that just goes to show you siblings who do have the same mom and dad, you're not going to pull the same exact things. And then also with him being a male, you guys, males carry the Y chromosome. And I'm not going to get too deep into that, but basically women don't carry that Y chromosome. So I think the Y chromosome tells you the paternal side of something. So basically he can kind of tell, if you have a brother, you might want to get him to take the test because he can tell you a little bit more about your ancestry. So obviously his pulled some things that mine didn't. So yeah, those are our results. I thought it was interesting. So I think the most thing I was shocked about on my results was being 48% Nigerian. I thought that was really cool. Like, I was excited. I was like, I'm like half Nigerian. Like, that's so cool. And then I also thought the Great Britain part, like, it was a nice percentage, 12%, you're 13%. So I thought that was really interesting. Did anything on your results shock you or surprise you or anything?
No, I mean, like you said about Great Britain being a little higher than expected.
Why didn't we get invited to the royal wedding? We're like basically their family. I'm kidding. I just wanted to share our Ancestry DNA results and compare sibling results. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give me a big thumbs up on this video and go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Tell me in the comments if you're gonna do the Ancestry DNA test, and if you have, let me know what some of your results were. Like, let me know something that was shocking on your results, because I know a lot of people get told like, you have Indian in you and you have this in you, and it turns out you don't. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.